We're using a sodium hydroxide relaxer to balance out and break the disulfide bonds. Now, it's the disulfide bonds that determine your curl pattern. We're using a sodium hydroxide relaxer to control her hair texture because with sodium hydroxide, you get an even, smooth breakage of the disulfide bonds. Whereas if you use a no-lye, as you saw in the front left panel, no-lye relaxers leave the cuticle layers abraded and rough, and it does not break the disulfide bonds evenly. And that's why with no-lye relaxers, the hair is never silky and smooth. But the tip is you can always use a sodium hydroxide on top of a no-lye to smooth out the disulfide bonds. And here's another tip that's going to blow your mind. In traditional relaxers, we always rebonded the hair with the neutralizing shampoo.